gang gang. Before I jump into this unboxing, I want you ladies to go and check out MEGALOOK here, y'all. They have this bomb wig on the Amazon store. The wigs are very affordable, so check out that company. And if you have not seen my previous video on this wig, I will leave it up top for you ladies to check it out. So I will be unboxing the June Curlkit box. I'm super excited to see what I received for this box, and let's just jump right into it. This Curlkit box is super heavy. There's so much stuff in it that the box cannot even close. So on the top, on this paper, it says the new Lottie Body with milk and honey. I'm just gonna rip that off. And oh god. And this is what the box is looking. So, you know, we always have the Curlkit magazine, and I'm loving the color because it matches my background. And this magazine always have some good helpful tips. It always says stuff about the product and stuff like that, how to use it and all that good jazz. So this is how everything is looking. It looks like everything is full size in this box, which is awesome. So the first item I'm going to pull out is this Lottie Body Restore Me cream shampoo, and this comes in a 10 fluid ounce, and it looks like this. This doesn't really have a smell, but you can smell the fruitiness in it. So that's the shampoo. Next we have the Lottie Body Nourish Me leave-in conditioner. Okay, and I already like this already because I like the pumps. I like anything that has a pump. It makes getting the product out of the bottle super easy and super convenient. So automatically I'm loving that this has a pump. And this one is 8 fluid ounces, and it looks like this. The next item we have is the Restore Me cream conditioner. Okay, and this one is 10 fluid ounces, and it looks like that. The next item is the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. Okay, and it looks like this. This actually looks similar to the Coconut Restore Curl Mousse. That's what this looks like, similar product to. The next product is the Lottie Body with Coconut and Shea Oil Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion. So this is more like for like roller sets and stuff like that. And the last item is the Lottie Body Coconut and Shea Oil Hydrate Me Deep Conditioning. Looks like this. And that is the last item in this June Curlkit box. So you get a little sample of the deep conditioner with a total of, hopefully I can get all of them in, 5 big size products. So you ladies are definitely getting your money's worth. For this box to only cost $25. I'm pretty sure all these products cost more than $25. So if you ladies go out and purchase the Curlkit box, you will be saving some coins. So I'm super excited to be trying out this line. I will be trying out these products on me and my daughter's hair, and y'all know I'm gonna come back with a review on my honest opinion on these products. And don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe. Like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.